Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today also we will continue with exercise 10.3. In the last class, I have already explained your question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Today we will start with question number 5. In question number 5, they have said Suman's mother needs 3 liters of orange juice for her birthday party. The juice is available only in 250 millimeter of cartons. That means total juice required is 3 liter, and the capacity of one carton is 250 milliliter. So how many cartons does she need so that she can fulfill her requirement? So let us start. Total juice needed is equal to 3 liter or 3000 milliliter. Why did I convert that into 3000 milliliter? Because the other value they have given in milliliter. So you have to convert that 3 liter into milliliter. Now, capacity of one carton is equal to 250 milliliter. So number of cartons required. So number of cartons required is equal to, now if in one carton there is 250 milliliter of juice, how many carton will require so to fill up 3000 milliliter? We have to divide. So 3000 milliliter divided by 250 milliliter. Now let us divide here. Two 51s are 250, 0, 5. 0 comes down. 252s are 500. So how many carton? She needs 12 carton to fulfill her birthday party. How many cartons should she buy for her birthday party? Therefore, she should buy 12 cartons for her birthday party. So I hope all of you have understood. Whenever they give you two different units of measurement, you have to convert in any one. In this case also, if you convert the capacity of one carton, this milliliter into liter, then also you will get the same answer. But converting the bigger unit to smaller unit will make easier for you to solve the sum. Please copy this. Now, question number 6. Question number 6 says, Suresh has a piece of wood that is 1.2 meter long. He wants to cut it into 3 equal lengths. So, he wants to cut that wood of total 1.2 meter into 3 equal pieces. How long would each piece be in milliliter? So, they have asked you the answer in milliliter. So, convert the meter, the length of the wood that is given in meter into milliliter first. So, length of wood is equal to 1.2 meter or 1.2 into 1000, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So this 1200 millimeter, and number of pieces is equal to 3, because Suresh wants to cut this into 3 equal pieces. So length of each piece is equal to 1200 millimeter divided by 3. Let us divide here. 3 fours are 12. 0. It is not divisible. To bring the next digit, you have to put on 0 here. After bringing, then also it is not divisible, so you have to put one more 0 here. Therefore, the length of each piece of wood will be 400 millimeter. So I hope all of you have understood this. So whenever they give you two different units of measurement, you have to convert the given value in the smaller unit of measurement so that it becomes easy for you to solve. So children, for today let us keep only these two, and then in the next class I will solve the remaining sums. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.